Hello, welcome in this ERP SAP team. Hope you all are fine and doing good. Today we are going to discuss a very important SAP tutorial, how to get the cost element list of your company. For this, we are going to use the transaction code KA23. In SAP, basically the cost element is general ledger account where you are going to allot the cost of any group. Okay, as per SAP definition, cost element classify and organizations valued consumptions of production factors within a controlling area. They provide information concerning the value flow and value consumption within the organization. A cost element corresponds to a cost relevant item in the chart of accounts. Okay. So basically it's two types. Primary cost or revenue elements. Primary cost or revenue elements are the general ledger accounts of the GL account type primary cost or revenue. Primary cost element reflect operating expense such as payroll, selling expenses or administration cost. For example, material costs, personal cost, energy cost. Okay. If you come for the secondary cost elements, the secondary cost elements of the general ledger accounts type of secondary cost represent the cost resulting from value flow within the organization, such as internal activity cost allocations, overhead allocations, and settlement transactions. Fine. These are the examples. So frequently you are searching the data of the cost element in your company. Okay, so how can you do this? We are just going to execute the transaction code KA23. Okay, here you have a lot of options, like if you have a list of cost element, you can fill here from this range to this range. If you want to know the cost element of particular group, then you can search. Okay, here like meeting, to be meetings, all cost, labor cost, material cost. Okay, so you will get the data. Fine. I'm not going to specify any element groups. I'm just clicking on all cost element. For example, the GL account which is valid from 1st April 2015 to up to till date. Fine. So we are going to execute the transaction. Click on F8 and click on this execute options. Okay, you will get the data. Okay, see, within the controlling area 1000, the cost element which are valid from 1st April 2015 to this, these are the cost element or the general ledger account. These are the name. Okay, cost element category. If you click on this, then you can find out that cost element category: primary cost, reducing revenue; third, accrual deferral per surcharges, accrual deferred per debit actual revenue, sale reductions, internal settlement, overhead rates, okay, internal activity allocations, earn values and all. Fine. So for example, if I'm just going to collect the data of the overhead rates, so cost element activity code is 41. Okay, I'm just going to select this data and click on this filter and click on 41. Fine. So only this 4 cost element, 4 general ledger accounts are comes under this category. Fine. So you can bifurcate this record as per your requirement. Okay, if I'm just going to just remove the filter, click. Okay, you can export this data in Excel file from here. Export to spreadsheet options. One option is there. Second option is there. You can take into the local file and save in the Excel. You can send this data to mail recipients. Okay, Executing any transaction in SAP, you should keep in your mind, you should book your cost in proper cost element, because once you book the cost in proper cost element, then the cost is properly divided, and at the end of the financial year, the auditor and the concerned chartered accountant will analyze all the booking and expense and profit and loss in a very easy manner. Okay, so thank you for watching this video session. Okay, and hope you like this video, and have a nice day. And again, I'm requesting, if you're new on our YouTube channel ERP SAP team, then please subscribe our YouTube channel. Okay, please share this knowledge with your friends and colleagues who are working in this area. Okay, and don't forget to press the bell icon while subscribing for my latest video updates. Have a nice day.